you did. Yeah, I know, and I wanna talk about it.
Okay, y'all, so let's get into this hair, and I'm going to show you how to go from this to this to finally this. This is the ending product, which are just those passion locks, I believe, or butterfly locks. Yeah. So now I'm showing you the hair that I use initially. So if you do want to jump straight into where I actually do the butterfly locks, then I will insert the timestamp here. But I was showing you just the materials I was using, like the gel, the hair. But this turned into kind of like a two-style thing. My original style is not what I intended it to be, so I changed it into a different style. So first I started off with some jumbo crochet locks, and I changed them into some crochet butterfly slash like passion locks, I would say. So now what I'm doing, I'm parting my hair, and if y'all are new here or whatever, y'all know I can't part. Like, let's get that out the way right now. But right now I am braiding. I don't know why I braided so weirdly. Like, I already braid weird, but the way I braided this particular braid is kind of weird. But I wanted to do kind of like triangle parts, so you know, like that's what I was doing. So now that we are onto there, I just braided it, and then I just crocheted some of those jumbo locks that I had in the beginning. And these were just some crochet locks that I got from my local beauty supply store. And this was the initial hairstyle I intended to do. So what I do is I crocheted it, tied the knot, and then I wrap that lock around my real hair that I plaited, and all you do is literally just wrap it around. So now I'm going to show y'all how I did the back. You know, can't braid either, but that's how we're doing it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to cover all that mess. So now I'm crocheting just those locks, and I'm trying to fill it in as much as possible just so you can't see none of my big old braids. So that is what I'm doing. And y'all, I'm about to show you a little blooper of how my man reacted to how he reacted to my first hairstyle. But that's the back. You was laughing at my hair. You ain't gotta lie, Craig. You ain't gotta lie. Yeah, so he was laughing at me when I walked back into the room. I didn't know why he was laughing. I'm like, oh, so this fool laughing at these big old locks. So this was the result of my first attempt. They were humongous, but I still thought it looked kind of good. So if you did want to stay with this, you can, but I decided to change it up. So we had a change in direction with the hair. I know it's looking crazy, but I wanted to show you guys how different it looks from this side to this side. So this is what we, oh wait, let me change it. This is what we originally had, and I'm gonna you know, include some clips of what we had before. These were the like crocheted locks that came with the pack that I had, and then I created these butterfly locks right here. So I just wanted to have a side-by-side view. So this is the regular ones right here. And I already started doing the butterfly locks right here. So I like both sides, of course, but these butterfly locks are giving. And I'm going to show you guys a real easy tutorial on how to change this to this. Sorry, y'all, my nephew is in here. You said what? Yeah, go get some more. Go get some more from Granny. Okay, so let's get into the hair. This is actually the hair that I use to wrap around, and that's really key. Like, get that specific hair. So definitely screenshot it and get that particular hair, because I really liked how it wrapped around. It's really nice curly hair. So now what I'm doing, I'm just showing you how to first take the jumbo lock. So if you skipped the prior parts, I'm taking that jumbo lock and I'm crocheting it into my hair. And then what I'm going to do, as you can see, my real hair is right there. I'm just going to literally wrap it around my real hair. Try not to be like too tight when you're making the lock or anything, and just wrapping that around. I'm laughing because my nephew got sent to bed and it was just funny, bro. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that water wave hair, that rum wave hair, and I'm first going to, you know, wrap it in the beginning, and I'm going to wrap it around that beginning part a couple times, and then just start wrapping it down. Now, I did not have no particular method to this. All I did was I wrapped it tight on some parts, and then I loosely wrapped it. As you can see, I'm not even wrapping it that tight. Like, that's why I really like this hair, because you didn't have to do a whole bunch. But so I wrap it tight a little bit and I wrap it loose. And then sometimes I would wrap it around my finger too, and then just let it go until I got to the bottom of it. And that's what really made like it look like, you know, this bohemian look. Now when I went to the when I got to the bottom, I'm just gonna keep wrapping it, and I'm gonna show you like how I sealed the bottom. I don't know if it's gonna be apparent in this clip, but I'm also gonna show you in the next clip as well. So once that's all done, I definitely make sure to palm roll it just to keep it all together. So now I'm gonna show you a better look. So take that piece, wrap it around the knot just like that. You want to wrap it around the knot just like that, and then you just want to wrap it. Once you're doing it, you'll see what I'm talking about. But I mean, it is a little bit of a learning curve to get the grasp of it, mostly in the beginning. But after you got like the beginning secure, then you could just wrap towards the end. Now I am gonna fix like I'm gonna fix those parts. Like I'm gonna put in some more locks. Like it's definitely gonna look better, but you can always conceal it by just crocheting more hair in. Most of your parts aren't like the most straight. So I'm just wrapping it and wrapping it. And the hair was really, like I said, like easy to use, and like this didn't take so long. So now I'm gonna show you how I sealed the bottom. If it's too long, look, I just, you know, put that together and then wrap it with that extra hair just like that. And you know what, guys, that is all. We are all done. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know how you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, please.